Hello everyone, I am Sharik Malik, the Finance Director at Superbutler Limited. Based in the United Kingdom, we became part of Faster Capital in September 2023. And I must say, the support we have received has been nothing short of exceptional. The team at Faster Capital has provided us with invaluable feedback. Their constructive insights not only pointed out areas where we could improve, but also identified crucial gaps in our competitive analysis, which helped us clearly identify our strengths and weaknesses. And obviously, we are working on that to improve. Beyond that, Faster Capital's team has been instrumental in guiding us to enhance various aspects of our business, from refining our business strategy to optimizing our monetization model and conducting a comprehensive market study. Their expertise has been invaluable, and the best thing is their 24/7 response to our team. As we embark on our journey to secure our pre-seed funding of £1 million to build our product, the confidence we have gained from Faster Capital support is truly invaluable. Armed with the insights, we approach angel investors and venture capitalists with a newfound assurance. Thank you, Faster Capital, for being an essential part of our growth story. We look forward to the exciting journey ahead. Thank you.